Hi students, today we will learn about the sound of vowel U. Let us find vowels in words. Sound of vowel U. Read and speak aloud. What is this picture? This is sun. S-U-N. Sun. Sun is a star. Sun gives us light. Here U is a vowel. Look at this picture. What is this? This is a jug. J-U-G. Jug. We use it for serving water and tea. Here U is a vowel. Do you know what is it? This is a bus. B-U-S. Bus. We use bus for traveling. Are you coming to school by bus or van? Here U is a vowel. What is this picture? This is a duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. This bird cannot fly. They swim in water. Here U is a vowel. What are you seeing here? This is a bug. B-U-G. Bug. It is a ladybug. Here U is a vowel. Now speak aloud some more words. First one is cup. C-U-P. Cup. Second one is hat. H-U-T. Hat. Third one is gun. G-U-N. Gun. Fourth number is bun. B-U-N. Bun. Identify the pictures and complete the missing letters sound of U. Do it as homework. Write these works in the English 4-line notebook. Okay? Okay. Next our activity is answer the following questions. Our first question is, what are vowels? Answer is A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Second question is, what is your name? My name is. Write your name in the blank space. Okay. Third question is, how old are you? Write your age in the blank space. Write these words in the English 4-line notebook. Okay. Our next activity, identify the following pictures and write the first letter. First picture is rose. Here first letter is R. Complete all same like the first one. Complete the exercise questions given in the textbook.
Subscribe our channel to know about the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.